The 6 sounds of T in American English. Hi friends, and welcome to TalkRight, a place where we help you improve your English language skills and communication skills. Now this is one of the chapters which I cover in my voice and accent program, the 6 sounds of T in American English, and I thought I would make a quick and a short video to give you some more information on this. So let's get started. So the first sound of the letter T in American English is that of a normal T. Now before I go ahead friends, I would like to tell you that the letter T is a voiceless sound in the English language. Now I cover the voiced sound and the voiceless sound in detail in my voice and accent course. For now what I can tell you is that the letter T is a voiceless sound and it is pronounced as T, T. You see my voice is not on. Let's understand this better. When T is the first letter in a word or a stressed syllable, it usually has the normal T sound. Let's hear the words. Tough, tomato, task, travel. Let's hear the second line. Between, pretend, attack. So these words, my friends, have the normal T sound. Let's move on. The second sound of the letter T is like a fast D, and there are 4 situations in this. When T is in the middle of the word between 2 vowels, it has the sound of a fast D. Let's hear the first, let's hear the words. Letter, computer, bottle, meeting. The second situation, where the word ends in a T-E-R. Let's hear the words. Daughter, smarter, later, fighter, disaster. So you see how the T is sounding like a fast D? Let's move on to the other 2 situations. The third situation in T like a fast D is when the word ends in a T-I-N-G. Let's listen to the words. Riding, sitting, knitting, repeating. The fourth situation, when the word ends in a T-Y. Let's listen to the words. Humility, 70, reality, property. Let's move on to the third sound of the letter T in American English. The third sound is that of ch. Now there are certain combinations of letters like T-U-E and T-U-R-E. In these words, the T sounds becomes a ch sound. The ch sound as in the word watchman. When you say the word watchman, you hear the ch sound. Let's listen to these words. The first line. Statue, virtue. The second line. Picture, texture, literature, posture. So you see, while you have a T in these words, the sound is that of ch. So these are the 3 sounds of the letter T in American English, my friends. Would you like to learn the other 3 sounds of T in American English? Well, for that you have to enroll for our voice and accent program. There is a detailed video on my channel on what I cover in the voice and accent course. If you're interested, friends, send me a WhatsApp on these numbers. You can write to me at this email ID, or you can also visit my website. Friends, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon. I would really appreciate all your help in making my YouTube channel popular. Thank you and have a wonderful day.